what do the number 1 and the number 2 mean on your Makita cordless drill. So let's slip it into number 1. Now what this means is that when you're in drill mode here or hammer mode, the full force of your Makita drill is given. So all the torque what's in the drill is available when you fully press the trigger. However, when you do fully press the trigger, the chuck moves slower, but you do get all the torque. So ideal when you're drilling into something like concrete or brick, anything like that, any hard material, have it in 1, you get full torque of your drill. When you slip it into speed mode 2, you get slightly less torque, but the chuck, when you press it down, moves much quicker. So this is ideal when you want to drill something quick, like pilot holes or into soft wood or something like that, but you do get less torque. So less torque but quicker drilling is speed 2. More torque, slower chuck movement in speed 1 for hard materials. So hopefully that better explains what the 1 and the 2 actually means on your Makita cordless drill. If it does, help me out by smashing the like, the subscribe, and thanks for watching.